Alright, so today we are going to be unboxing our first ISS package that came in the mail. We're hoping that it is algae of some sort, or algae food, or microalgae, but can't be for sure. We're going to be trying to grow the algae in multiple different mediums. Those are some live organisms.
Wow, that is a lot.
Want to speak on that?
It's cool that we got the algae.
Yeah.
Now we can start testing it immediately.
This is Haematococcus pluvialis.
I'm going to talk a little bit about what we can do with those constraints and talk about different types of algae.